Good morning, students. Good morning, viewers. Today we are covering the what is the importance of aptitude. Aptitude test. Many of the companies are taking the aptitude test. What is the importance of aptitude that we are going to cover today? Next slide is my name. The brief introduction about me. My name is Ritesh Malviya. Having the 12-year experience in the campus placements and the campus recruitment training programs as well as the competitive exams programs. The thing is, today we are going to discuss why we are studying the aptitude. Aptitude was the importance of aptitude, and why we are studying aptitude, because every engineering students, maybe working professionals, they have to study aptitude. The reason behind, because if you are appearing for any good examination, any competitive examination, might be any good companies, MNCs, we have to take the aptitude test. The company have to take the aptitude test. We have to involve in the aptitude test. The thing is, why aptitude? Many of the students are asked about the aptitude, why we are studying aptitude. So aptitude is basically role of aptitude in competitive exam and the campus placements. First reason is why we are taking the aptitude test. Why does a company conduct the aptitude test during selections? Second, the question in our mind is like this: why the company takes the aptitude test? There's no use in industry. We have thought about, many of students is asking to us कि कई बार सर aptitude क्यों पढ़ा जाता है या क्यों aptitude का टेस्ट लिया जाता है, whether the aptitude is not required in any industry. Because if sometimes we think about, if we think software industry, so software companies, they are working on the programmings, they are working on the software, they are working on the database management, they are working on different kind of the technology. But why aptitude is required to become the good software engineer, are becoming a part of a company? That's an important thing. So today's agenda is, we will discuss about why do I crack any company's exams in aptitude test. So aptitudes, importance of aptitude. When we talk about the aptitude is the first role, or first, you may say the first gateway to enter any company or any organization or any government organization. And the second is, why do I build the aptitude for aptitude test? So it is, first thing is what is my attitude towards the aptitude. So the thing is, today's agenda is this, we will discuss this. Next slide is, need to understand. Need to understand what? Need to understand the ability to concentrate without getting distracted. If somebody is very good in aptitude, it means he is keen to solve these small problems. In aptitude, we study the percentage, profit and loss, work, time, distance, and different topic that we will discuss in next slide. The thing is, why company is asking the aptitude ability without getting distracted. The thing is, if somebody is involved in the aptitude test, it means he is trying to put their efforts to solve any problems. Second is, the use of working memory. Use of working memory. What is the use of working memory? When we talk about the working memory, suppose the very first example is, if I want to add two numbers basically 100 and 200. So 100 and 200 as a 300. So what we are doing, we are associating our memory for 100, we are associating a memory for 200, and then we are adding this, that is the 300. This result is associating another memory location. So memory location, when we talk about the memory, when we talk about the numbers addition and numbers calculation, so number calculation requires what? We have to assign a value to a particular place, a particular variable. As the variable we are thinking in the mind. For both very normal examples we can take in our session. When we go to the market, हमने कुछ purchase किया, we go to the kirana shops, we go to the vegetable market. So we buy something. At last, we when came back to the home, we are calculating how much money we have expended, how much money we have spent in the market today. So this is the question. So the question is, so what we are doing, we are calculating the money that we have spent at the kirana shop, the money that we have spent on the vegetable shop, on the fruit shops. So it is, the thing is, when we are realizing, we are calculating it is of using of the working memory. Memory we are using, memory we are working. So what memory is retaining? So when we are calculating any question, when we are solving the any question, तो हमारे दिमाग में क्वेश्चन आता है कि हम इसको कैसे कैलकुलेट कर रहे हैं या हमने कितना रिटेन रखा है. तो रिटेनिंग, व्हेन वी आर सॉल्विंग द एप्टीट्यूड टेस्ट, उस टाइम पे हमें ये ऑप्शन आएगा दिमाग में कि हाउ वी आर यूजिंग द वर्किंग मेमोरी. एंड सेकंड, थर्ड इज योर प्रेडिक्शन एंड ऑब्जर्वेशन पावर. एप्टीट्यूड टेस्ट में कई बार आता है, अभी मैं सिलेबस में विल डिस्कस समथिंग कि प्रिडिक्शंस कैसे होते हैं. समटाइम्स वी व्हेन वी सॉल्व द लॉजिकल रीजनिंग में जब हम सॉल्व करने बैठते हैं तो देखते हैं कि दे आर सम प्रिडिक्शंस कि या इस ऑप्शन इज ए, ऑप्शन इज बी, ऑप्शन इज सी, ऑप्शन इज डी. वी आर प्रिडिक्टिंग ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ आवर अंडरस्टैंडिंग. So third is predictions, and last is observation power. Observation power, when we solve the data interpretation questions. Suppose we are solving the pie chart. So pie chart, our bar graph, our number system. So that time what we are observing maybe the option number is 20%, 30%, 40%, 60% based upon the our observation that we are doing in the aptitude test. Next is your memory, concentrations and the calculations. If somebody is very good in the aptitude, we are considering, a company is considering कि they are good in calculation. They have solved 30 questions in 30 minutes. If a person has solved 30 questions in 30 minutes, it means he is very concentrated way. He solved the questions in very concentrated way. And your memory means memory power is how your memory power that he have discussed in last. Okay. Next is your common sense and the presence of mind. Your common sense and the presence of mind. Whenever we solve the aptitude test, this is the test is examine your common sense as well as the aptitude test. So next slides that we have covered. Why? The students aptitude test, it means when we talk about the aptitudes, so aptitude student, professional are bound to cross the aptitude test. Sometimes these are tests basically determine the best career path. When we talk about the career path, so aptitude test is the first gateway to enter to deciding to analyzing which kind of the career we can be justify for ourselves. Aptitude includes many areas: assessment tests, verbal reasoning, numerical reasonings, and especially test becomes really common test these days because especially student who confused and undecided about their careers. यदि कोई student अभी अपने दिमाग में करियर में justify नहीं कर पा रहा है कि किस टाइप का करियर वो बनाना चाहता है, किस टाइप से उसकी एनालिटिकल स्किल्स है, किस टाइप की उसकी बिहेवियरल स्किल्स है, so that can be justified by the aptitude test. Next is, this is more evident nowadays to take the aptitude test to primary and the recruitment team. Any recruitment team nowadays are taking the assessment test because they want to analyze, they want to assess the quality of the candidate. So next, the quality of the candidate, why companies are taking the aptitude test, that we will discuss in the next slide. So please, next slide is, aptitude is basically defined as acquire an ability to individual to perform the certain task. It indicates the potential of the individual to perform well in that specific job role. Means if campus companies are coming for taking the campus recruitment test, so on the basis of the aptitude they can decide कि the candidate is perfect or not. For a very small example, if I take any competitive exam or any campus recruitment test, competitive exam, thousands and lakhs of the people are appearing in the test. only 10% people are shortlisted for the next round of interviews or next level of interview. Why? The reason is this aptitude test bifurcate the potential candidate as well as the quality people by the aptitude test. The technical functions knowledge is not sufficient to success in a job. If somebody is very good in programming, but they are not having, somebody is not having the good aptitude knowledge, they are not good in the calculation, they are not good in time management, they are not good in thinking or observation power, so that time he will be failed to a particular job role. Any job requires the multiple skills such as strategizing. Strategizing means analyzing and planning, reasoning, comprehending, communication, calculating, and the computer skills, etc. So a company when take the aptitude test, they need to find कि the person is liable for the strategizing the thing. मतलब quality strategizing means sequencing, planning, observation, that comes into the strategizing. Analyzing the problems, the problem difficulty level, planning how to solve the problems, reasoning which is the toughest problem, which is not, and how we will solve the problems, comprehending to understand the problem, and the communicating, how we will communicate to the other people if we are facing any problem, and the calculating it means we are calculating the things by the calculation is everywhere available, because when we do anything, so we are calculating any payment, any questions, anything we are calculating. So computer skills, the basic computer skills are required for the aptitude test, and all the computer skills are required for anyone to work in present era. Next is why aptitude test tell companies about the candidate. Aptitude test helps to judge about the candidate in that way. Ability to problem solving, how the person will solve the problem. Next is the ability to analyze the situation, the ability to reason, ability to think logically, to take decisions based on data, and to take decisions based on the past trends, ability to understand the graph, table, and charts, the ability to comprehend the written and verbal communication skills. These are the major things that company need to understand from a candidate, how the candidate is. So these are the these are the qualities the aptitude test assess from the students. Pause करिएगा. Now we are talking about how to improve the aptitude skills. Aptitude skills बढ़ाने के लिए क्या अपने को करना चाहिए? What is the how we can improve our aptitude skills? The reason is must solve the aptitude question daily. Aptitude questions daily. It means if you are facing any kind of the problem of aptitude, it may be a percentage, it may be a profit and loss, it may be a work time distance, anything it can be is your problem. So calculation. So must solve the aptitude question daily. It is not one day game. It's not a one-day game. You have to be solve rigorously the particular kind of the problem every day. क्योंकि जैसे जैसे आप डेली प्रैक्टिस करते रहेंगे वैसे वैसे यू विल गेट दी नॉलेज ऑफ द पर्टिकुलर टॉपिक. तो पहली चीज है द मस्ट सॉल्व द एप्टीट्यूड क्वेश्चंस डेली, एंड द सेकंड इज प्रैक्टिस वन काइंड ऑफ द प्रॉब्लम अगेन एंड मास्टर देम. क्योंकि जब कोई चीज़ टफ होती है, वेन एवर वी फील डिफिकल्टी इन अ पर्टिकुलर थिंग, तो हम एक बार सॉल्व करते हैं छोड़ देते हैं. सो वो डिफिकल्टी ही बनी रहती है. डिफ़िकल्टी को रिजॉल्व करने के लिए वी हैव टू प्रैक्टिस अ लॉट, जिसमें कि आप एक टाइप की प्रॉब्लम से मास्टर्स होना है. सो यू हैव टू सॉल्व, बिकॉज जो आपकी सबसे बड़ी प्रॉब्लम है सबसे पहले उस पर वर्कआउट कर लें तो वो एप्टीट्यूड की प्रॉब्लम आपकी सॉल्व हो जाएगी. नेक्स्ट इज सॉल्व द ब्रेन टीजर्स एंड पजल्स. ये जो ब्रेन टीजर्स एंड पजल्स हैं, these problems make you understandable to think about the problems think about the analyzing the problem, think about the comprehend the problem. So these the solve the brain teasers and puzzles whenever you get time, and the solve the questions and track the time. Not only solving the question is our priority, the priority is in how much time we are solving a particular question. How much time, that's important. I have experienced many of the students appearing in the CAT examination. Many of the students are appearing in different competitive exams. So but they said, sir, the paper was very simple, paper बहुत आसान था, but उनका सॉल्यूशन हम कर नहीं पाए इन द रिक्वायर्ड टाइम ड्यूरेशन में, पेपर छूट गया. पेपर छूटने का मतलब क्या है? मतलब यू नो द कॉन्सेप्ट, यू नो द नॉलेज, पर आपने सॉल्व नहीं कर पाए. यदि आप सॉल्व नहीं कर पाए बेसिकली मतलब आपका टाइम मैनेजमेंट प्रॉब्लम है. सो यहाँ पे स्ट्रेटजाइजिंग द थिंग्स इज इफ यू आर नॉट एबल टू मैनेज योर टाइम विद द क्वेश्चंस, इट मीन्स it is a problem for you. So कोई भी क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करने से पहले you have to reconcile your time with question, because generally हम लोग देखते हैं एप्टीट्यूड के जो क्वेश्चंस होते हैं, the people are spending 3 minutes 4 minutes 5 minutes a particular problem, but if you are in the frequent of doing the things, you will be solve this question within a 1 minute or 30 seconds. It depend upon your caliber, depend upon your quality, your knowledge and the practicing skills. विजिट वेबसाइट दैट प्रोवाइड्स द एप्टीट्यूड टेस्ट. अभी आपने कई कॉम्पिटेटिव एग्जाम्स के स्टूडेंट्स ने देखा होगा या कैंपस रिक्रूटमेंट स्टूडेंट्स ने देखा होगा कि द इंडिया बेक्स एंड देन से RS अग्रवाल, या दे आर सो मैनी बुक्स इज ऑल्सो अवेलेबल इन द मार्केट ऑफ एप्टीट्यूड. सो इंडिया बेक्स में बहुत सारी जनरलाइज प्रॉब्लम्स मिलती हैं जिसमें आप एप्टीट्यूड की प्रैक्टिस कर सकते हो. And the proper planning for the to understand the aptitude, क्योंकि planning के बिना कुछ भी possible नहीं है. Planning means when you are going to solve the aptitude test, so you have to decide कि how many topics you are going to cover and which is the best topic for you, which is suitable topic to you, and how will we solve the problem. Suppose करिए आपके पास एक 50 क्वेश्चन का एप्टीट्यूड टेस्ट आ गया है. 50 क्वेश्चन के एप्टीट्यूड टेस्ट में से कौन से क्वेश्चंस आपको आपकी फेवरेट है, या जिसमें आप कंफर्टेबल करते हो, या जिसमें आपका नॉलेज स्ट्रांग है, तो उसकी प्लानिंग पहले करें, उन क्वेश्चंस को पहले सॉल्व करें. बिकॉज दे आर सो मेनी माइनस मार्किंग का भी कंसेप्ट है कॉम्पिटेटिव एग्जाम्स में. तो आप उस टाइम पे थोड़ा सा प्रॉब्लम फेस करोगे कि प्लानिंग कैसे करनी है. जो टफेस्ट प्रॉब्लम्स हैं उनको आप एक साइड कर सकते हैं, या जिनमें आपका कंफर्ट जोन है या जिसमें आपका नॉलेज अच्छा है उनको पहले प्लान करें. सो प्लानिंग इज ऑल्सो इम्पॉर्टेंट फॉर द सॉल्विंग एनी क्वेश्चन पेपर. द क्वेश्चन इज कि कई स्टूडेंट्स के without the proper planning, the students get involved in different activities, and they are different questions, and they are not able to solve the question on time. The thing is this. Next is, this was the 5 points to improve your improve your aptitude skill. अगला है क्वांटिटेटिव एप्टीट्यूड्स में क्या क्या चीज़ें आती हैं. तो जनरलाइज यदि हम बात करें तो क्वांटिटेटिव एप्टीट्यूड्स में ये जो फ्यू टॉपिक्स हैं ये फ्रिक्वेंटली पूछे जाते हैं. दैट इज द नंबर सीरीज, परसेंटेज, प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस, सिंपल एंड कंपाउंड इंटरेस्ट, एवरेज, रेशियो प्रोपोर्शन, प्रॉब्लम बेस्ड ऑन द एजेस, स्पीड, डिस्टेंस, टाइम, मिक्सचर्स, एलिगेशन एंड परमुटेशन कॉम्बिनेशन. दिस इज द बेसिक क्रक्स ऑफ द एप्टीट्यूड टेस्ट in quantitative aptitude. Next is, when we talk about the logical reasoning, so logical reasoning most commonly asked question are the verbal, non-verbal, number series, analogies, statement assumptions, statement conclusion, letter and symbol series, and last is data interpretation. These are the formal syllabus of the aptitude test which is asked by any of the companies. अगला है, यदि when we talk about the full syllabus of the quantitative aptitude, तो quantitative aptitude में यदि हम बात करें, there are 28 topics जिसमें हमें डिस्कस करना है कि कौन कौन से टॉपिक्स आपके एप्टीट्यूड टेस्ट में आते हैं. सो ऑल दीज आर दी बेसिक टॉपिक्स that is important, और इनके बाहर से कोई एप्टीट्यूड टेस्ट कोई भी एप्टीट्यूड टेस्ट नहीं बनता है. तो ये 28 टॉपिक्स हैं. नेक्स्ट आने वाले वीडियोज़ में मैं इन्हीं टॉपिक्स पे भी एक इंडिविजुअल सेशंस तैयार कर रहे हैं. फिर वो सेशंस आप पर्टिकुलर इसमें देख सकते हैं. एक एक टॉपिक का एक सेशन मिलेगा आपको विद प्रैक्टिस क्वेश्चंस के साथ में. सो नेक्स्ट में हम लोग ये देखेंगे. नेक्स्ट इज data interpretation. So second part of the any aptitude test is data interpretation. First is the quantitative aptitude, second is the data interpretation. Data interpretation introduce is all about the introduction of the orientation, calculation techniques, how you will calculate the percentage, how you will calculate the profit and loss, how you resolve the table and bar graph, and third is line graph and pie chart and Venn diagram and mixed varieties of the question of the data interpretation. ये हम part cover करेंगे data interpretation में. Third part is logical reasoning. It's a very important for logical reasoning. Logical reasoning, it means statement argument से start करते हैं और logics तक develop करते हैं. These are the topics: statement argument, analytical reasoning, direction, distance test, analogy, statement deductions, theme deductions, non-verbal reasonings, mirror image, series, figure, formations analysis, data interpretation and geometry, image analysis, classification test, coding, decoding, series test, alphanumerical symbol test, alphabet test, odd man out, ranking test, shape construction, arithmetic, reasoning and logics. These are the logical reasoning topics that is important for the logical reasoning. Next is, now I'm completing this video. Next videos I'll cover the particular topic of aptitude and how we will solve the aptitude test. So thank you for viewing this channel. Thank you so much.